For 2022, Honda has revised its Passport crossover with rugged new looks in addition to the introduction of the new TrailSport trim level. Is this family-oriented crossover ready for adventure? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Honda, and then select Passport. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Honda Passport is a smaller two-row version of their popular Pilot three-row midsize crossover, but better designed for outdoor adventure thanks to improved approach and departure angles. The new TrailSport trim highlights the Passport's already excellent trail manners and indicates that Honda is getting serious about competing with Jeep and Subaru. The TrailSport all-wheel drive trim slots in just under the Elite package. As you see it here, price is $43,695 including destination. Under the hood is Honda's legendary V6 engine. This has a peak output of 280 horsepower. There is only one transmission option, a 9-speed automatic. Power is sent to all four wheels through Honda's own iVTM4 all-wheel drive system, enhanced with customized driving modes. EPA rates economy at 19 miles to the gallon city and 24 on the highway. When properly equipped, the Passport can tow up to 5,000 pounds. One of the most impressive features of the Passport is the cargo area. With the second row in place, you get up to 50 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Fold the second row down for a whopping 100 cubic feet. Under the floor is a space saver spare. For passengers, the second row has more than enough space to fit 3. Passengers also get a pair of handy USB ports and an AC socket. Up front is one of the largest cabins you'll find in any road-going vehicle. This space is enormous, and it's only accentuated by the horizontal design language. All Passport TrailSport trims get an 8-inch infotainment system with navigation, which is easy to use and features a nice design. The gauge cluster is mostly digital. Information is easy to access and clear to read, making this one of the better digital displays available. While the amenities are good, driving the Passport TrailSport on the open road is great. Here in the California desert, it just ate up the miles, and no matter how long we were on the road, the seats remained comfortable. The included adaptive cruise control helped curb arm fatigue, and it was always reassuring to have blind spot monitoring and collision mitigation standard. Off-road, the short overhangs made quick work of challenging obstacles, while the iVTM4 system did its magic to push power to the wheels with grip. Even though there are several drive modes available, normal mode can get the Passport through almost anything. If you're looking for one of the most flexible and fun-to-drive vehicles available, the Passport TrailSport is nicely equipped and far more capable than most drivers will ever need. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to find your local AutoNation Honda dealer. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Honda dealer today.